In the last 24 hours, what has happened with crypto? Let's take a look. Hey, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Today we're looking at the last 24 hours in the market corrections, crypto and stocks. Here we're particularly looking at crypto. What have we learned? What can we know for the next time around? Because there will be next times. It's obvious that this is not the first time. If you saw yesterday's video, we explained what has happened in the past, how many times crypto has crashed since 2021. This past year, we have seen this crash, and I don't know if it's going to reflect any other crashes, but it mainly reflects anything that's above, I believe, 25%. Now, you can see here that on my Gemini app, I have a watch to buy Luna at 0.0098. Now, this is the catch on that. I'm going to show you a catch. Will it fill? Will it not fill? I don't think that will fill, and I will show you why. This is Dogecoin, and Dogecoin I'm watching at a 0.007 to see if it fills. And it's only $200, and Luna is almost $18. It's not like I'm going to become a millionaire out of it, but I'm in there. Now, I want to show you a different app so you can see the difference in here. In reference to Doge, Luna, the current price of Luna is, where is it? On this app, it says last price 14 cents. But if we go to this app right here, look at the price, 0.003. Do you believe I'm going to get a fill on this? No, Gemini is not a great app to purchase on. You can see the huge difference that it has in price. Luna, Messari is very good, reliable software. It's almost at 100% drop. I don't know if it's going to make it back. However, there is news posted on websites saying that Luna will be transformed, and there will be a new Luna coming out, and many people will be compensated or something like that. I'm going to look at the email at the Twitter feeds that have been posted in there. But this is Luna, and if we go back and see Doge is somewhere around, where is it right now? I'd have to bring it up in here to see what is happening with Doge. Give it a second in here as this comes up. Now I put Doge in here, and it should come right up. Whoops. Keep going back and forth. Doge. There is Doge. It says 0.08. So I am very close to filling on this one. 0.08 right now. 0.08046. You can see right up there on your screen. And let's take a look on Messari and see what that says for Doge. Doge as it comes up right here. 0.0805. I don't know why the big difference with Terra Luna on the app Gemini. I guess there's some sort of fluke there or some situation. I don't know what it is, but I put to fill at a very ridiculous rate. Luna 0.009, although it's at 0.003. I don't know if it's going to fill. However, from the looks of this, of what I was watching before, I don't think it's going to fill. And in reference to the other coins, here's Bitcoin is at 28,000, Ethereum's at 1,900, Tether's at 0.998. It's a stable coin. USD is a stable coin as $1. BNB is very good buy at 265. Yesterday was at 266, I believe. XRP 37 cents. Binance, also another stable coin. Cardano at 45 cents. Geez, these are all on sale. Solana 42 cents. Dogecoin we just mentioned. Polkadot, Terra, you can see it says here 0.45. This is the stable coin. It says 0.45. I don't know why it's that high, but if we look in here, let's take a look and share our screen so that we can see a different perspective on here. This is the level of fear and greed index. You can see that, let me just refresh this just in case. And there we go. Yesterday was at 12. Today is at 12. And last week it was at 27. Last month it was at 20. What does this mean? Usually when it's green, people think it's the best time to buy. People are excited to buy. Why? Because they hear all the hype. They hear what is known as FOMO, fear of missing out. If that's where you want to go in, then by all means go ahead. But I will wait until I'm here. There's a reason to come in here, and there are a few things that I want to let you know in reference to that. And that's why I wanted to look at Luna a little bit more. And I'm going to bring it up right now so I don't forget again. As we bring up Luna in here in this software, in the last 24 hours, this is what has happened. Let me see if I can get a clearer picture on here so that you can see what I am looking at, what I want to see as well. Let's see, will this change? Okay, whoops. Let's see. Give me a moment here, as this is not cooperating with me. Okay, you can see that Luna yesterday was around $3 actually. Let me see. Let me bring up a different image. I don't know why it's not shifting on me. Why isn't it shifting on me? This is from May 8th, and we're at May 12th, May 11th. Okay, you can see that it was 11th yesterday. Well, let's say it was at $5 yesterday, May 11th, as you can see on the screen there. $5. The only way to make money on this one is to short. Short, meaning the opposite. Normally you buy low and sell high. Here you would buy high and sell low. If you would have bought at $5, $3, $2, you would have probably been, geez, making lots of money right now. Lots and lots of money right now. I don't know why I didn't do this. I could have done it. I wasn't thinking. And there were many other ones that are in the same position. Look at Luna. It's 0.002. It's going to bankrupt. Everybody's selling off. The last few people are selling off. No one is purchasing it. Maybe the developer. If the developer would have been repurchasing it, this would have gone up. It wouldn't have gone down to such a flat rate. This is scary, and this is something to worry about. Now, this is stepping. I'm going to show you stepping in here. Let me make sure I have the last 24 hours. It was in the last 24 hours or so, somewhere in here in the $1.20. It's somewhere in the similar area. It did go way down to 86 cents. It's holding off. This is a fairly new coin, which I've been watching, but it's not where it was, let's say, a month ago, because I don't think it's been around that long. Yes, it has. It's been around a month. The high, its highs was at 390. It's at $1.26. This is not a bad buy. However, we don't know if this is the end of the market. What do? We try and base it on a few different stocks. This crypto, sorry. Ethereum hit 1700 low. I wasn't watching this today. I wish I would have been, because this would, my time, it would have been early in the morning, 3 in the morning, and I missed that. I didn't set an alert to buy. That happens. I'm not going to be in this 24 hours a day. I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to do it as I can. This is a good time anyhow to buy anywhere in the 1900s. It's hitting 2000 right now. Ethereum is still a good buy. I expect this to go up to where it was at least before, 4,000, 5,000, maybe even 6. And we'll see what happens in the next several days. This is TRX Tron. Tron has, on the 11th, it was around 0.07, and now it's close to that, 0.07. Somewhere in that. It's a little bit lower, but it's in that 0.07 cent range. This one is Pancake Swap, which I like, 460. It was yesterday. Now it's at 411. It did go down to a 338. Wow, it would have been a great buy. But even at $4 is a great buy, because Pancake Swap is going up. A lot of people are excited about it. It's going to make moves eventually, just like most of these are. Pick and choose. Pick 3, pick 10, and invest. Because if you don't invest, then money's not working for you. This is about money working for you. What are you waiting for? Don't let your opportunities pass by. Fear and greed are in the mix. Are you fearful or are you greedy? It's time to take up you put your belt on, buckle up, and put your seatbelt on if you have to, and just make the investment. It doesn't matter how low you make it. Maybe it's $100. Maybe it's $20. That way you learn, and the next time around you'll regret not putting more in there. Put in as much as you can. Don't put your rent money in there. Don't put the money that you need to make a payment, but put something that you're not afraid to lose, because if you're not afraid to lose it, chances are it will multiply. However, if it does lose, you won't risk anything in the interim. ApeCoin, we just showed you, it's down 13%. It's at 635. And the ApeCoin is a great coin to invest in. KuCoin is probably around the same level. It's at $10. This one will go up easily to 16 to 20. And this one is Terra again. I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin. Give me a second to bring it up here. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? I believe that Bitcoin hit what was its lowest level? If Ethereum went down to 1700, then Bitcoin would have had to go somewhere in that level. As we're getting ready to look at it in here, let's see, bringing up even a more specific chart on here, and this one might take a few more seconds to prepare. Here we go. Now, this is a view of when it was at 68,000 back in November, and you can see what's happened here, that Bitcoin has immensely dropped. It is now at 28. Now, let's take a look in the last 24 hours or so what has happened. This is the low. that it hit around 26,700, very close to what people have been calling that it would hit 24,000. Is it still off the ground? Is going to take off? Bitcoin and in general, most coins will take 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days in general will take. In the next 24 hours, it should hit that level again or similar, and then it will either bounce from there or go up. It's up to you if you want to invest this time around. Set a limit on with a price that you want, whether it's 27,000, maybe 26, maybe 28, low 28. It's up to you, but be aware that opportunities are out there. And what are they waiting for? They're waiting for you to make a move. This is CeoTrades. If you want to double your bank account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account so your money market account will grow multiplied until the next one? Because I'm investing in some of these, you should also be taking advantage of it for yourself or for entertainment purposes. Until the next one.